Welcome back, friends. World stock markets have been continuing to do well of late. You find that the Dow and Nasdaq have reached all-time highs. So applies to many other global stock market indices. All and The rally seems to be continuing unabated. All this in the backdrop of a serious US-China trade war going on, and which seems nowhere coming to an end. China today has asked the United States to completely remove the levies as a precondition to closing the first round of negotiations. Now the tariffs that United States imposed and China is asking to roll back as the first condition to reaching the first round conclusion is something that I do not think the United States is going to do in a jiffy. In fact, I would be very much anticipating that there could be a rupture in the US China trade talks in about a month from now or closer to the Christmas holidays. So, this is something which will have repercussions on global stock markets, and the all time highs that you are seeing would go and enter into a very good correction mode probably in the last week of December 2019 and continuing until about the 7th or 8th of January 2020. So, investors who are heavily positioned should take this into cognizance. The US China trade negotiations hopes will be there, rally will continue in the very short term, but I believe that closer to the Christmas holidays, you may see these negotiations take a rather ugly turn, and this can go and impact stock markets all across the world last week of December and first continuing into the first week of January 2020. And this would be a good entry point for those who are trying to get into for the medium term. So if you have a medium term horizon into consideration, please do not enter the markets right away. This stock market rally continuing, enjoy it while it lasts, but be careful. A rupture is expected around Christmas in the US China trade talks. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.